Before we start, let's outline what this course has in store for you. We've carefully divided it into 12 sessions to make your learning journey both comprehensive and manageable. Most sessions will take just around 5 minutes of your time, while some of the more intricate features will take a bit longer, around 15 minutes. Here is a quick breakdown. We've got 3 sessions dedicated to understanding the user interface, 8 sessions to explore the key features, and 1 session where we will delve into practical app building and guide you to the latest resources. To kick things off, we will begin by getting you familiar with your Jodoo homepage. We will explore the workspace, acquaint you with essential features like contacts, and introduce you to the other crucial elements on the taskbar. Once you are comfortable with the basics, we will shift our focus to Jodoo's core components: regular forms, workflow forms, and dashboards. Regular forms serve as your data collection and recording tools, while workflow forms are your secret weapon for seamlessly collaboration across departments, allowing for smooth approval workflows. Dashboards, on the other hand, enable you to analyze and present data from various perspectives in real time. In the second part, we will take a step forward. Over 8 sessions, we will explore the key features within each major component. You will become adept at using common form elements like fields, field properties, and form properties. In our workflow forms, we will explore node properties and workflow properties, essential for building efficient processes. We will check dashboards, showing you how to harness their power for data analysis and presentation. We will also teach you the ropes of publishing forms and dashboards, and managing the data collected using published forms. Finally, in our last session, we will turn our attention to advanced features that unlock even more potential. Lastly, the real fun begins in our app building demonstration. We will take the template we introduced earlier and show you how to build an app from scratch. Be aware that all the sample apps featured in this training are available in our template center, ready for you to install into your own account and use as needed. Once the demo concludes, we won't leave you hanging. We will guide you on how to find the latest resources to continue your learning journey after this course. That wraps our course outline. Thank you for your time, and we are eager to see you in the next video. Get ready to unlock the full potential of Jodoo.